Hello, hi, namaskar, namaste. I am Priyanka and I welcome you all to my today's new video. So the very first product we have from this range is the Wow Skin Science Castor Oil. This is 100% undiluted oil and is cold pressed. This is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E and essential fatty acids. This oil provides rich, nourishing care to hair and scalp. This oil promotes the hair growth and improves the hair texture. This also minimizes the split ends and softens the hard skin. So here I use the comb applicator to comb through my hair and get the oil to the roots. So now let's clean up our hair and get it soft and silky smooth. So the second product here we have is the Wow Skin Science Himalayan Rose shampoo. This helps in calming the irritated scalp and revive the weak damaged hair. This cleans hair and scalp without stripping off the natural oil. Also leaves hair fragrant with floral notes. This refreshes the sweaty and grimy hair. So now we select the Wow Skin Science Himalayan Rose conditioner, and this helps in protecting the weak brittle strands and also add the shine and softness. This adds the lush movement to the limp lifeless hair. This conditioner is infused with the soothing and moisturizing goodness of rose hydrosol, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil and hydrogenated olive oil. So now let's jump to the last part, that is the Himalayan Rose hair mask, and this helps in restoring the strength to our weak and brittle strands and also add the softness and nourishes our hair. This also helps in protecting the hair and restores its natural moisture barrier, giving it a soft and smooth texture, and also makes our hair healthy, lustrous and frizz-free. This was the secret to get the healthy and shiny hair, and if you really like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time in my next video. Bye bye.